Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick camera face-off between the Xiaomi 17T and the Xiaomi 15T Pro to see which one actually delivers better real-world photos. I've been testing both phones side by side, and right away you notice the difference in processing. The 17T tends to push more contrast and sharper edges, which makes shots pop a bit more on social media. But sometimes it goes a little aggressive, especially in tricky lighting. The 15T Pro, on the other hand, feels more balanced. Colors look more natural, skin tones are softer, and highlights are handled a bit better when you're shooting outdoors. In low light, it also holds on to detail without over-smoothing the image too much. Zoom performance is close, but the 15T Pro keeps textures cleaner at higher magnification. So, which one wins? Honestly, if you want punchy, ready-to-post shots, the 17T is fun. But for more consistent, natural-looking photography, the 15T Pro still takes it for me.